Hi, in this video we're going to change the subject of the formula where the subject appears on both sides of the equation. So to make x the subject means you want to get x on its own on one side of the equation only. Now we can see we've got x terms on both sides of the equation. If we look at these steps from the previous videos, we can see we want to isolate the subject, any term with an x in it, on one side of the equation. So we need to either get all the x terms on the left-hand side of the equation or the right-hand side. I'm just going to get them on the left-hand side. So to move this kx here to the left side, I'm going to subtract kx from both sides. So I'm going to do 2x minus kx. And now this a term here is not an x term, so therefore I want it on the other side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract a from both sides, and that's going to give me b minus a. So that's good. All these terms are x terms, and all these terms on the right-hand side are not x terms. That's great. Now, step 2 here is to factorize out the subject. So we factorize out the x, open a bracket, and then think what we need to put in the bracket. X times what is 2x, so it's 2, and x multiplied by what is minus kx, well, it's minus k. And then the final step we can see is to divide appropriately. Well, the x is being multiplied by 2 minus k. So to get rid of the times by 2 minus k, we need to divide both sides by 2 minus k. So you get x is equal to b minus a over 2 minus k. And we're done now because we've managed to get x on one side only of the equation and the x is on its own.